So Q3 numbers, of course, will be out in the next couple of weeks, in fact, across all sectors, not just IT. But in terms of guidance, Avinash, I want to understand, is it going to be particularly difficult for IT sector companies to give a realistic guidance for both Q4 and for the next year until Donald Trump actually assumes office? This is with respect to not just headwinds on the strengthening dollar and the weakening rupee, but which incidentally is going to be a positive for the IT sector. But in addition to that, the H-1B visas.
No, I think, see, clearly more clarity will come in only once the new US president takes over, because there's a lot of, deal pipeline which is yet not materialized for IT companies. And I think, despite the fact that the rupee weakening will actually be beneficial for IT companies, one thing is very clear is that the market wants to get a hint of what kind of growth quotient can come in over the next, say, 12 months. And that entirely depends on new deals, new kind of customer additions by these IT companies. And US being the mother market, I think clearly, you will probably get to know things in a better perspective once we get to know the management commentary. For
Right.
this quarter, I don't expect TCS to show any fireworks. We expect is that they would obviously give a very cautious kind of a stance as far as
Right.
margins and business outlook is concerned. But the near-term trigger would be the March quarter. So I
All
think,
right.
in the very near term, stocks like HCL Technologies, Infosys, or for that reason, TCS, among the smaller ones, Persistent, KPIT, these are all interesting bets, considering their financials, their balance sheet strengths. But I think for the growth to come in, it may take at least maybe a couple of quarters. So I think till that time, we could yet see market performer kind of, performances from these stocks. No major kind of upside is expected.